Hey, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. We're on our last day in March. April is tomorrow. Woohoo. Um, awesome job to some of you. I'm going to go ahead and do some shout outs. I have several students who have already reached Lexia and Dreambox time for the week. Good job to Scarlett, Kaden, and Raylan. You've already hit your Lexia time for the week. Awesome job, guys. On Dreambox, we have Brentley, who's already reached his time. Caden's already reached his time. Faith has reached her lessons. Jackson reached his lessons. Joshua reached his time. Kenturia reached her time. McKenna reached her lessons. Scarlett has reached her lessons. Awesome job to all of you who have already reached your time and your lessons for Dreambox and on Lexia. I'm very, very proud of you. Parents, I am going to be headed to the school today. I know there's several of you who've reached out that you need a packet, or I know I'm taking something to someone else that's from the school. Guys, if you need something today, please call me on my cell phone. I'll be up at the school and I'm going to get some things together. So if you need anything, I will be in Villa Rica vicinity and I don't mind dropping it off for you. Those of you who've reached out, I will be getting those things together for you today. I think that's all I have. Oh, one more thing. This week, I'm going to offer an incentive. If you get all of your work completed, so you get your Dreambox completed, you get your Lexia, you get your vocabulary, and you get the 4 IXL skills that are on the digital learning sheet grade list. If you get all of those completed, your name is going to go in a drawing, and that's going to be for a $20 gift card. So get all of your work done. That way your name can go in that hat, and I will draw that on Saturday. So get your work completed, and I will double check Friday night before I do it on Saturday morning. So get all of your work done. That way you can try to earn that gift card. There are several of you from last week who did the challenge where you had to help your family member out. I have a list of you guys. Remember, I said I was going to make cinnamon rolls, so I'm going to bring around little bitty pre-packaged cinnamon rolls just so we don't spread germs. But if you did that and you shared that with me last week, you will be getting that today too. So check your mailbox because I'm going to just drop it off in mailboxes. That way we're not touching anything. That way I can wear my gloves and my mask. Trying to stay safe, guys. I love you. Y'all stay safe, social distance, stay indoors. And of course, call me if you need me, parents, because I will be in Villa Rica. I love you all. Have an awesome rest of your day. Bye, guys.